determine the focus and directrix of the parabola with a given equation. So x squared is equal to 12y. And then the given is at vertex 0, 0 and axis of symmetry x is equal to 0. So the standard equation that we will use, since ang atong parabola is a parabola that is opening upward, so we will use this standard equation. X squared is equal to a positive 4cy. Since the given is x squared is equal to 12y, the coefficient of y, which is 12, muna siya ang value sa ato ang 4c, which is 12. So 4c, to determine the value of c, so ato lang ning kwaon ang coefficient sa y, which is 12, and we will equate it with the 4c. So 4c is equal to 12. So divide both sides by 4. So 12 divided 4 is equal to 3. So our value of c is equal to 3, and we're expecting our our parabola is opening upward. So again, this is ang parabola equation. X squared is equal to 12y. Since our parabola is at yung axis of symmetry is at x is equal to 0. By the way, at our parabola is we're expecting opening upward din siya with vertex 0, 0. So since ang vertex na to is 0, 0, and then ang atong axis of symmetry is vertical, so we're expecting kung saan value sa atong h, that would be our value of axis of symmetry, which is at x is equal to 0. So since our axis of symmetry is equal to 0, to determine our focus and our directrix, so ang ato ang since ang atong h is kabalo naman ta, which is 0, so mag-add ta sa atong y coordinate, so ato ang vertex plus c or minus c to determine the focus and the directrix. Since ang ato ang c is positive, so since positive na siya, ang direction pataas, kaya ang atong focus is naman sa taas sa atong vertex, so we will add c sa atong k. If paubos gani na siya, ang atong focus will be minus c ang ato ang gamiton. Take note kung positive ang atong value sa atong c. So kani kay positive man, which is 3. So we will add c here to determine the focus. So f h k plus c. So f is 0 and then 0 plus 3 is 3. So our focus is at 0, 3. Baliktad po sa ato ang directrix, so we will just subtract k minus c. So we expect our directrix is horizontal, so it is at y. So y is equal to k minus c, so 0 minus 3. Our directrix line is at y is equal to negative 3. Okay. So this is the figure sa tungkan if we plot it in a coordinate plane. So ang atong equation x squared is equal to 12y. Our vertex is at 0, 0. The axis of symmetry is at x equal to 0. Our c is 3. Our focus is at 0, 3. Just and count from vertex to para ma-determine from vertex, add the value of c, 1, 2, 3. So ang focus is at 0, 3, and the directrix from vertex pababa 1, 2, 3 at negative 3.